So, I'm sorry I brought up, y'all, just tuning in, I brought up Mr. Beast, and that has upset people. So, I'm sorry. We're looking at Southbound on the Freeway, page 15 of your poetry booklet. If you're just tuning in, we put quotes in the titles already. We numbered our stanzas all the way to 12. Guys, 7 is different because 7 has what? 4 lines. So there must be something special about that. When we read that, we'll try to figure that out, okay? So go ahead and flip that back over. We're looking at Southbound on the Freeway, and Aubrey already figured out that it must take place while people are traveling southbound on the freeway, okay? So here we go. We're going to go ahead and read it. Catherine, yes, you can take stanza 1. Aaron's going to take stanza 2. Lingy's got stanza 3. You're going to flip that over. Josh is going to take 4. Aubrey's going to take 5. Jackson's going to take 6. Lauren's going to take 7. Logan's going to take 8. Danielle's going to take 9. Carson's got 10. And then JC's got 11. Janae, you're going to take us home with 12, okay? All right, so here we go. Southbound on the Freeway by me, Swinton. Take it away.
They have 4 hours to see back away. Sometimes you can see a 5 hours. When he passes in the morning from behind. They all just as they glide like inches down the mud.
All right, go ahead and make your funny face. John, did you say guts or butts? Butts, oh dear. Oh dear, she's changing the poem altogether. So this poem is a little bit strange, but let's go back. Stanza 1. Okay, can you read that one more time? Just stanza 1. All right, tourist. We gotta know what tourist means. Tourist means what? A visitor. There we go. A visitor. An outsider. A visitor. Somebody from somewhere else, right? Right? Somebody from somewhere else. Okay, a visitor. We'll write that darker ink next time. Not bad. So a visitor came in from Orbitville, parked in the air, and said, what phrase kind of makes this poem a little bit weird? Parked in the air. Now, when I came to work this morning, I parked my car on the ground in the parking lot. Catherine parks her bike in the garage on the ground, right? She doesn't like sitting to hover and just throw it up and it floats like in the middle of the yard. When Jonna skateboards, she skateboards on the ground, not the air. So the fact that somebody's coming in and parking their transportation in the air, that's kind of a weird thing. Now, somebody give me a theory who this narrator could be. What? Or in 20. We could be in 2050. You could be down the road. It could be 2050. What's another theory about who this narrator may be? Jonna, what'd you say? No way. Aliens don't exist. Except my uncle tells me to wear a tinfoil hat all the time. So they can't read my brain. No, okay, say that one more time, Jonna. It could be an alien. Oh, okay, so let's read it one more time. This time, thinking that this could be an alien. Now, this alien came in and put their thing in the air and looked down, and they're looking at a what? A freeway. Okay, so let's go one more time. A tourist came in from Orville, parked in the air, and said, "By creatures of this star are made of metal and glass. Through the transparent parts, you can see their guts." What are their guts? Their feet are round and rolled on diagrams or long measuring tapes dark with white lines. They have 4 eyes. The two in the back are red. Sometimes you see a white one with the red eye turning on top of his head. You think he must be special. The others respect him and go slow. When he passes, winding amongst them from behind. They all hiss as they glide, like inches down the marked tapes. These soft shapes shadowy inside their hard bodies. Are they their guts, butts, or their brains? I like our remix better. That's a layer to it. Okay. Hey, what did I do to my voice to signify a change in narration? I kind of made it sound like, well, like what I would think an alien would sound like. You know, because like in the court, they're like, oh, all right, take us to your leader. Who's your leader? Don't say me, because I want you. You're aliens, okay? All right, so we know it's from an alien's point of view, of their view of the what? Of the freeway. Hey, can you do that? Is that what you're eating? Yeah, because she just did. Mace Swanson did that, okay? So here we go. Let's take a look at this. We know it's written all in couplets. We figure out some visitors. So the easiest thing we can find with this, the absolute easiest is imagery. We'll start there. Imagery. Okay, so just the first three stanzas, we're looking for imagery. Somebody help me out with imagery in the first three stanzas. All right, what you got, JC? Made of metal and glass. There you go. What else? Janene. Parked in the air. That's kind of, I imagine like a flying saucer, like parked in the air. What else? Hey, look at, oh, JC, go ahead. You can see their guts. Now check this out. Through their transparent parts, you can see their guts. What is transparent on a car? The window. So if you can see through the windows and see their guts, what do they think their guts are? Us. Yeah, the people in the cars are the guts. That's kind of weird to think about, though. When you get in your car, you're the car's guts, right? It's kind of weird. Now, I remember reading this when I was in 8th grade. I'd be like, ooh, did you guys have watched what movie? What movie? No, what other movie? I'll give you a hint. It's literally what the movie is about. C-A-R-S. Cars, right? Cars. There we go. Yes, lightning McQueen. Okay, so let's flip it back. Flip it back, y'all. 4 through 12, we're still looking for imagery. You're just scanning. Once you find some imagery, raise your hand. What you got, Janane? Tell us what stanza. Oh. Yes. Good job. What you got, Logan? Yeah, those measuring tapes, dark with white lines. What is that, y'all? That's the road. That's the road right there. He's talking on the road. Okay. Oh, what you got, JC? Yeah, 4 eyes and 2 in the back of red. Those 4 eyes, what is he making reference to? The lights. Yeah, the headlights and then the tail lights. Okay. All right. So now we're at stanza 7. Let's draw a box around that. Stanza 7 is different. It stands out. It's got 4 lines instead of 2. And it gives you a hint inside. Sometimes you see a 5-eyed one with a red eye turning on top of his head. He must be special. What word do I emphasize? Okay, how does he make this stanza special? He makes it 4 lines, right? To signify there's something special about this by making the stanza special, right? Okay, what do you think this 5-eyed animal is? It could be police. Who else could it be? It could be a fire truck. We're in the South, so we don't say fire, we say fur. Fur truck. What else could it be? Ambulance.
Public services vehicle.
Sure. It could. I'm gonna write that. You know, that's the best suggestion I've heard all day. I'm gonna write that in there. It could be the Ghostbusters. No. There's something strange in the neighborhood. It's probably Catherine. Call the police. All right, we're still looking for imagery, y'all. Keep looking for imagery. Imagery, y'all, imagery. Come on, we can do this. JC, what you got? Okay. All right. Go slow. All right. Come on, somebody different. Laney. Winding among them from the on. There you go. What else? What you got? Jackson. Want to say that again?
This soft shape.
Ooh, soft shaped, shadowy inside. Ooh, he's also pointing out soft shapes, shadowy inside. What sound am I emphasizing? S. That's not assonance. That's called what? Alliteration. A boogie woogie woo. You cannot see it. It's alliteration. Boogie woogie woogie. Alliteration. Bravo. There we go. Up here, nobody pointed out. Five-eyed one. The red-eye turning. I like that. Okay, so we found imagery pretty easy. They wrote, obviously, is May Swenson an alien? No, but they wrote a poem from an alien's perspective of what they think humans look like, okay? Can you do that in poetry? Absolutely. You can totally do that in poetry and any form of writing. Just because Captain Souther writes a poem about loving dogs doesn't mean she loves dogs. She could absolutely hate dogs, but her speaker loves dogs. Do you love dogs? That's fake news. You love cats. Not a cat person. That's I was never a cat person. And then one day we got a cat, and I was like, oh, I'm a cat person, but I like dogs more. So that's neither here nor there. We identified the couples, we identified the imagery, we figured out who our speaker was. Hey, real quick, let's just make note of that. Our speaker is a what? An alien. Speaker is an alien. We figured out that stanza 7 is made special in order to signify that the five-eyed car is special. We identified the alliteration. You guys did a good job. Real quick though, y'all look at look on the back. Look at number 4. It says, what other questions might an alien tourist ask about our culture? So to give you an idea, like you're floating up above everyone else. You can pull Google Earth. I'm floating up above everyone else. That's from my last year. We zoomed in on Henderson Collegiate. So I'm over top everything, and like there's US 1 right there. I'm looking at just around US 1. What other questions might you have if you were an alien? Somebody help me out. What questions do you think an alien would have about this system? What you got, John? Why is everything green? All right, good. Why is everything like some things are green, some things are brown, some things are yellow? What's with the different colors? What do they represent? What you got, John? Okay, yeah, where are those big boxes the cars stop at? Okay, what you got, Jackson? Yeah, where are those big boxes and rectangles? Same thing. What you got, Carson? Yes, why are there no? That's a good question. What is up with the? I'll tell you, hey, this is kind of cool. Just a side note. That's Southern Man's High School right there. I know because Southern Man's has got the like a weird, odd shape. Let's see if I can rotate it. I know this is neither here nor there. Oh, I can't. I know there's a way to rotate it. I don't know how to do it, but that's Southern Man's right there. Or Vance County High School. I just know because it's got the weird hole shape. My hole was right there. I was right there when I taught there. But that's a stupid fun fact of the day. All right, so going back to my camera, we nailed it? We did it. Good job. Everybody give themselves a pat on the back. Palm back, down back of the head. Okay. You guys are watching this. Don't forget to like my video. Comment below. What do you think the best pair of socks to wear during a blizzard is? Hit the notification bell, and what else, y'all? We give away a free gift card to Dollar Tree for $1, and I know. Really, it should be $1.07 because that would be one item there.
If you ever encounter a man with curly hair robbing you and his name's Carson, give him your money.
Oh dear, that was too much. Okay. All right. See y'all later.